This is a tutorial on how to download your files. Let's say you bought some of my files because you're really neat and cool and I think you're very awesome. Obviously you would buy it. To get to your files that you have recently purchased, you can click on the Your Account icon in the top right corner, click on Purchases and Reviews, and then you'll be able to see all of the stuff that you've got here. Now, if this says, if it doesn't say download files, it usually means your payment is processing. Give it like 2 to 5 minutes, refresh the page, and you should have download files as an option. If not, you can always get help with your order, and I can help you with that. Just contact me. So here's some information on this screen. This is telling you what item. If you click on this, it'll take you to the page. And this tells you right here that it includes 5 zip folders. Now, sometimes it includes 1 zip folder or more zip folders and a PDF or a PNG image file. It's going to be different depending on what things you've downloaded. So click Download Files. There's a lot of information here, like this tells you how to access files as well and the usage rights, all of this as well. So scroll down to the bottom and your items to download are going to be right here. So just download each one. Click download. Mine's thinking. And if you're using Google Chrome, you'll have this icon that tells you that you're downloading stuff. If you're not, that's okay. You don't have to have Google Chrome. Now you need to go find your files on your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the Start menu right here and type in File. This is your File Explorer. This is how you'll view files. Now you need to go to your downloads because that's where they were downloaded. Now you can see all 5 of them are right here. And if there was a PDF file instead of a .zip file, that would also be downloaded. I have an example on how to open a PDF file as well. This is my example. So first you're going to double click on this, and you need to click Extract All. You can't use these while they're currently in a zip folder. So click Extract All, and I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to right click right here in this area, and I'm going to make a new folder. You can also make a new folder by clicking this. And I'm just going to name this iFiles. Now, the folder is selected, iFiles. So it's going to Desktop iFiles, and we're going to click Extract. And there they are. And we would do that for all of these. So we did the 20mm one. Let's do this one. Extract, Browse, iFiles. It automatically popped up there. We're going to keep using that. Click Extract. And now they're all popping up, and they're going to go back to Downloads. Click on the other one that I didn't extract. Click Extract. Make sure it's going to the right one. Yep, iFiles, Extract. Those ones are already there, but that's an example. So now we have these on our desktop. You'll be able to see them when you close out all your menus like this. Close everything. I have too many things open. And that. They're right here. Here's my eyeballs. So now what we need to do is show you how to open a PDF file to get files. Because on the wonderful world that is Etsy, I can only put files that are under 20 kilobytes, I think. So if it's a whole doll pack, you have to download them from my Google Drive. So again, we're going to go back to our downloads. And if you need help getting back to that, you can click here, search File Explorer, open that, click on Downloads. This is the kind of PDF that you will get when you download stuff from me. So we're going to open this in Google Chrome or any of your web browser. I'm going to click Open in Google Chrome. You can just double click on it. And this is the PDF. All that's in here is the download link, how to request access, and the usage rights for the files. And if you need help or anything, you can contact me. I have links to my email and support areas as well. So if you click on this link, it will take you to the Google Drive folder. It's taking a while. I'm going to just copy it and paste it. Cool. So it's prompting me to log into my Gmail account. So I will do that. Oh my goodness. Sure, you can have my permission. It's me. You should already be logged in on your Gmail if you use Google Chrome. Come on. Yes, that's me. Let me in. Awesome. I don't want to update my password. It's going to tell me to do that. I don't want to do that. I want to go back to that link. Okay. This is what you should see. You shouldn't have to log in. You need to request access. When you request access for your file, I would prefer for you to tell me your name and your order number. To find that, you can see your order number right here. Order number. We're just going to copy and paste that into here. Hi, my name is A. Hello, Enzo. My order number is blank. And I agree to not sell or do anything crazy with your files and be a big, fat, jerk, bully goober. Smiley face. Then you will request access, and I will get that as an email on my end. And it can usually take me up to, 24 hours. But I will let you know, yes, you can have access. Have fun. And you'll get an email notification saying that I've sent you access to file. So if you refresh that page or go to your Gmail and click on the link, you can now download the file. Now to download the file from here, you can click this download button. They like to hide it from you. So click download. Download anyway. We're going to save it to our downloads. Now I'm going to go back to my downloads. And here it is. So we're going to extract this as well. So you're going to go inside that zip folder, click extract. Tell it where you want it to go. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. And then click extract. And there we go. We now have our file. So I can open this in any of my slicing software and get 3D printing. I know that's kind of a convoluted way to download files. I'm trying to switch to using Cults 3D because I think it's a little bit easier than Google Drive. And most of the time you shouldn't have to access or request access to files unless you are buying a whole doll. If you are buying one of my base cabets, anything in here, cabet, Baldrina doll base, all of these you will have to request access to. I have that set so that people don't purchase them, download them, and just freely hand them out to others. I need to make sure that my files are only being downloaded, once or twice per person in case they lose that file. I don't want people to purchase these and then be like, oh yes, I can go print 500 of them in my big print farm, because that's not what my files are for. These are for small artists and crafters and hobbyists. They're not for big companies. And once your file gets out, it's really easy for them to get distributed unfairly, and your stuff gets used against your terms of service. All of the add-ons, you should just be able to download these without needing to request anything. You'll just click the download button in the top right corner. Same with all of these ones. My do-it-yourself sculpting objects you don't need access to. You should just be able to download them without having to email me or having to send in a request. These ones, these other Baldrina doll ones, anything that's a full doll, you will have to request access. And I'm sorry it's so tedious. I'm trying to work on getting the system a little bit better. But for now, this would be how you download your files from me. Thank you for supporting my silly art. I'm literally just a guy working at home, petting bunnies. Hi, Enzo. Oh, I gotta pet that bunny right now. Trying to feed myself and my bunnies. I don't make, I don't even think I make minimum wage. I just live at my friend's/parents' house and just try to get by. It's a tough economy right now. But anyway, that's how you do it. Thanks again for your support. If you have questions or comments, you can always contact me on my shop. You can go to the shop page and just click this contact button right here. Shoot me a message. And if you're having issues downloading it, I will just send you the link directly, because then that takes a couple of the steps out. But always happy to help. I will either send you a refund or your files. Nobody has ever not gotten their files. The person who left me a 2-star review did get their files, I promise. I promise you'll get them. And I'm always happy to help. So thanks again. Be gay, do crime, but don't break any laws.